Welcome back again to Playdays Collectibles channel from Whittier, California. Today, of course, it's Father's Day, guys. Finally, thumbs up for all the fathers and mothers, and vice versa, guys. You don't even have to be a father or mother. As long as you have those duties, of taking care of kids, that's all that matters. You guys enjoy your day, your special day, time off. Well, not even time off, because we sat through barbecuing and some food and Hotwheel hunting, or go to the stores. Well, anyways, welcome back into your channel, my channel, everybody's channel. And be lucky to be alive, guys. And happy birthday to anyone having their birthday today. Tomorrow is week, this month, the rest of the year. That's most of us. And prayers for all of you guys. Yes, all of you guys. Now, let's do this, guys. Unboxing. This came from San Diego, guys. So we'll see what's in here. Well, it's a Mercedes. Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry, guys. I have to say this is Mercedes for the Egyptian lover DJ guy that comes here a lot. And he likes to collect his car a lot. So I have to save it for him. Skyline, okay, that was available. Alright, guys, let me see. Oh, some Corvettes, okay. What else? Ooh, look at these trucks. These are new colors of the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Who likes trucks? Anybody likes trucks? Okay. Nissan, okay. That's not bad. Oh, what is this in here? Find some gold in here or something. There it is. Zamak, Silverado, BMW. What is that? The Brazilian Dodge Charger 510, and the Datsun 510 Bluebird, and the King Cuda, guys. Zamak said, look at that. See there, buddy? I like this box. It's pretty cool. Well, that's new. What is this? Honda City Turkey. Wow, there's another box in here of the same thing. Another box of the same thing. Back to the, well, Fast and Furious out. I was going to say Back to the Future. And Porsche Taycan Turbo S. S15 in black. And the new recolors of the 2023 Nissan Z, guys. Okay, that's the new color. And what else? Lambo. Borla truck, okay. And a CRX, look at this. The new color of the CRX. And the Subaru WXTI, okay, that's not bad. Let's see what else came in here, guys. Let's see. Okay, it's a truck and trailer Hummer. Okay, that's not bad. They're all the same thing here, guys. Okay, let's put that in there. The video ends, guys. Happy Father's Day and adios. And good night. Last video for today. Ooh, truck and trailer, look at that. That's a 55 Chevy Cameo with enclosed car trailer. Nice. Ooh, I like that. They're all the same here. I don't think there's no chase in here. Nope, no chase. No chase. Just making a mess here. Yeah, we're still open right now. It's also 5 o'clock today, guys. Ooh, yeah, look at that 4th of July reminder there. It's a 55 Chevy Cameo, guys. Nice. Okay, what else? Nope, no chase. And no chase. Alright, see the spot's open right here. What is in here? Oh, wow. Look at that. 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. That's not bad. I thought it was a chase already. Oh my god, I was going to start jumping. Alright, what else in here? So happy Father's Day to everybody. Ooh, look at that. Supra. 1994 Toyota Supra from Auto World. Don't see a chase in here. Nope, no chase. Alright guys, what else? PC. So look at the Zingers. Wow, orange flame. It says 81 Chevy Silverado. Fleet side, it's not bad. Nope, no chase. I don't see no white in there. We're gonna try to do this fast, guys. There's customers here. That's why I did the video late too, because I was gonna do one in the morning, but then I got busy. Ooh, look at that. It's a 1993 Dodge Stealth RT. Nope, no chase. No chase. And what else? Look at at that. That's not bad. It's a 87 Chevy Silverado R10 fleet side. Nice color. Nope, no chase. No chase. And no chase. Okay, what else? Oh, look at that. A hammer in green, like a military color. No chase in here, guys. No white. Nope, no white. Alright, keep on going. Keep on going. Ooh, Corvette. Look at that. Z06 2012 Chevy Corvette. Nice. Okay. I did this one already. So, what else is in here? Speed machines. Nope. No chase, guys. Alright, let's go continue with the next one. Next box. Ooh, I like this one. This has pretty good stuff. Scooby-Doo, I see you there, buddy. Okay, what else? Ooh, the getting it right, onward van. Scooby-Doo. Batman. And Masters of the Universe. I think we're almost done, guys. One more box. One more box. Last one right here. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, yeah, truck and trailer. The Escalade. Ooh, yeah. Hey, I wouldn't mind having one of these and an Escalade pulling that. That'd be awesome, guys. Oh, that's it. No chasing. I don't see no white. Nope. That's it, everyone. Have a nice, wonderful Father's Day. This will be my last video because I'm leaving at home to my house at 5 p.m. to go have some nice, good food. Like all of you guys, okay? So have a good day and adios.